All right, welcome back to another video, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a bit of AC work on the daily driver accent. The condenser has a hole in it in the car, so I got a new one. So I'm just gonna swap that out today. Now we're back over on the island here, so out of the city, no more noise or anything like that. So kind of nice and peaceful. Change before I move to BC. Probably the last video in Ontario of me doing some work on the car here, so yeah, I'll make sure I try and get some actual footage of me doing work this time. First things first, today I'm just gonna pull off the front bumper and get the front clip out of the way, because I think that's gonna make it easier to get the condenser out rather than trying to move the rad out enough, because I don't think it'll really move over enough to give me enough room to get it out. But yeah, we'll see. I'll try a couple different things here and see what's working best. All right, so I tried to loosen off these bolts. They were coming. This one back here is not only stripped, but it's pretty seized in there, and I did not want it to break when I was trying to take stuff out. So I'm just gonna pull off the front bumper to start, because I think that's probably my best course of action here. Pull all those little guys out, keep them just in there for now. Okay. So then there's a little bolt in there, and then on the other side as well that I gotta pull out. Oh, it doesn't have the thing on it. All right, I got that first one out, so now I'm just gonna pull the second guy out of here. This one I might be able to use a screwdriver on. All right, both those are out. Now let's just see what holds underneath, because I think there's, yeah, that and a zip tie there. Okay, so I'll get all those out and that'll come. Okay, so just got to pull out this last liner piece on the bottom. Just ended up using a little bit because it's easier, and I am kind of low. Okay, so that should be everything on the front. I think now I can just go ahead and pull that guy off. So the bumper's off. That was nice and easy. So now I just gotta get in here, pull the condenser out. Thinking I may have to pull this front piece off here, but maybe not. We'll see what I can do, what I'm working with now that that's all exposed and open. Okay, so this high pressure side of the line is seized in, so I'm gonna try and pull the whole thing out. That way I can just disconnect it while it's out. But I think I'm gonna have to pull the front support off here, the rad support, because this bolt does not want to spin, so it's gonna break off. So yeah, I'm gonna have to pull that whole front end off and then get the condenser out that way.
We'll do that. We'll probably pen.
Okay, both condensers out. Now I just got to free up this side here because it's kind of seized on. So I got to try and get that freed off of there, and then I can install the new one. Nice. Just had to rip my car apart again too. All right, so I was able to get that off. I kind of had to break that to be able to wedge some screwdrivers in here and get that past there, because aluminum and steel does not go well together. So now we can work on getting that back in here, just getting this line all back set up where it's supposed to be. This got a little bent, so I'm going to try and straighten that. Hopefully it doesn't get completely ruined. And then yeah, so now I'm going to try and get the new condenser in. Hopefully that goes well. All right, new condenser's in. Gonna start throwing some bolts in to get this all bolted back up. And then yeah, that shouldn't be taking me too much longer, and then I'll have this all done. All right, just going back together nicely. Headlights are on, bumpers on, and yeah, everything connected nicely. Lines are routed properly by the looks of it. This one's got a little bit of a bend in it that I don't love. Hopefully that didn't crack this at all, so that's probably gonna leak. And I'm gonna have to replace that high pressure line there, but that's okay. All right, car's back together, AC condensers installed, old one's over here. So now I just gotta go in Monday. I have it booked in to get this recharged and hopefully, well, test it, make sure that there's no other leaks in the system. And yeah, hopefully I'll have AC in this before my big drive across country, because it'd be pretty hot in this car without it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for some more content, guys.